Welcome to Kids Learn channel.
A is for alligator. A is for alligator, with a great big smile.
Is for alligator, with a great big smile.
B is for bear. B is for bear, who can run a mile.
B is for bear, who can run a mile.
C is for cat. C is for cat, who loves to play.
C is for cat, who loves to play.
D is for dog. D is for dog, barking all day.
D is for dog, barking all day.
E is for elephant. E is for elephant, so big and strong.
E is for elephant, so big and strong.
F is for fox. F is for fox, sly all along.
F is for fox, sly all along.
G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe, so very tall.
G is for giraffe, so very tall.
H for horse. H is for horse, who gallops to call.
H is for horse, who gallops to call.
I is for iguana. Is for iguana, green and bright.
Is for iguana, green and bright.
J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar, fast as light.
J is for jaguar, fast as light.
K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo, who jumps so high.
K is for kangaroo, who jumps so high.
L for lion. L is for lion, the king, with a roar so dry.
L is for lion, the king, with a roar so dry.
M is for monkey. M is for monkey, swinging around.
M is for monkey, swinging around.
N is for newt. N is for newt, crawling on the ground.
N is for newt, crawling on the ground.
O is for owl. O is for owl, awake at night.
O is for owl, awake at night.
P is for penguin. P is for penguin, waddling in delight.
T is for penguin, waddling in delight.
Q is for quail. Q is for quail, so small and sweet.
Q is for quail, so small and sweet.
R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit, with ears so neat.
R is for rabbit, with ears so neat.
S is for snake. S is for snake, slithering away.
S is for snake, slithering away.
T is for tiger. T is for tiger, striped and gray.
T is for tiger, striped and gray.
U is for urchin. U is for urchin in the sea, so blue.
U is for urchin, in the sea, so blue.
V is for vulture. V is for vulture, watching the view.
V is for vulture, watching the view.
W is for whale. W is for whale, swimming with grace.
W is for whale, swimming with grace.
X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray tetra, in a watery place.
X is for X-ray tetra, in a watery place.
Y is for yak. Y is for yak, with fur so thick.
Y is for yak, with fur so thick.
Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra, with stripes so slick.
Z is for zebra, with stripes so slick.
Please find the link getting the description box and subscribe over channel.